So that crow right there was sitting on the fence supervising, watching me go back and forth and put out everything. I thought it was going to let me get to the peanuts, but it didn't. That's okay. I'm so happy to see you, my friend. But I didn't even know it was there when I went by the first time. It just sat there and watched me. And there you go. All right, now I'll put the peanuts out. Well, that didn't take long. I literally just sat down. I think that's squirt. Or not. It's hard to tell. Stitch is bigger. He's got quite pronounced stripes on his side. And his coat is darker brown. He's at least a year older than these other guys, except for possibly maybe Ripley. Little guys are here. Down they go. Hello. That blue jay wants to land on that table so bad. Just doesn't know what to do. Goodness, what's going on here? Wonder if these are newbies that have seen the food but have never been here before. Interesting. There's my little chickadee. Back again, the one that was all swoopy. Well, I don't know if it's the same one, but there's another one that knows that food is here, but so am I. Ah, yes. The deal breaker. That's okay. I don't take it personally. It's a very big world and you're little, little, little. Yes, you are. You're just little. Good. Oh, this is our... Look it. Someone's growing more feathers. They're coming in. There you go. I think we might have a crow over on the fence too. Oh no, another blue jay. Yeah. Clever little chickadee. I can't get over the difference a year makes. This time last year we had gray squirrels all over the place, and now there's hardly any. I don't know where they all are. I see fewer and fewer when I go out walking. Lots of red squirrels, but the grays not so much. Tree is starting to turn, as you can see. Those leaves are going to start to come off soon. Hey. You're up there somewhere. Someone else has landed on that fence. Be a blue jay or crow, I don't know.